31st Saudi Heart Association and 17th Annual Conference of the Gulf Heart Association would like to welcome all valuable delegates from the 8th to 12th of October 2020 through SHA Virtual Conference Portal. We're all enthusiastic, as this is the first conference in the history of Saudi Heart Association, which is completely conducted on a digital platform in line with the social distancing norms due to the pandemic. Through digitalization, this event is made possible to attend from anywhere in a new, unique, hybrid experience with the inspiration from the best of both physical and digital events, creating an extraordinary live virtual event with a great impact. In order to have a quick and easy sign-in process, please follow the following steps. Open the link provided on the registration email sent to you prior, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password provided to you on your received registration email. In case you have forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and you will receive an email to reset your password. In case you have not registered yet, kindly click on the button for Register Now. You can directly watch the welcome note. Once you have signed in, you will be directed to the main lobby just like at a real fair. This will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon on the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs located at the upper side of your dashboard without any hassle or long walks. Here in the auditorium, you will attend live sessions in webinar format. It is almost the same as being there in person, a more convenient way to switch in between running all live sessions. Please take a note of the following upon attending a session. Click this four-dotted icon to maximize your viewing screen and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphone icon. You may click the raise hand icon to get the attention of the speaker, moderator, or assistant and ask your questions to the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. You will find the agenda according to the hall-wise. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session, and down here is a button where you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified, so you will not miss out live sessions you would like to attend. As for the Abstract Hall, you may view the abstracts by clicking the PDF icon located at the right side of the screen and switch between pages to view more of the submitted abstracts by clicking the Next Page icon. Just click on the X button for leaving the abstract page. The exhibit hall is like a real exhibition hall. Here you can find the booths of every participating company. Even the booth is designed to look realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box, and you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. For more communication with the company's representative, you may ask live questions by joining the Start Chat button. Here in the Information Desk, you can ask the online representatives through joining Information Desk chat room. Type your questions and get your answers in real time. This lounge is only dedicated for the speakers and moderators. Lastly, the networking lounge is dedicated for live chats through group and private chats with other participants. Stay safe and take delight in this first virtual conference experience.